Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. We're here today at an office, and as you can see, concrete floor. Chris is rolling out some of the Wakol PU280. PU280 is a moisture vapor barrier, rolls out about 400 square feet per gallon. We want to block moisture vapor from coming through the slab. Even though we know what the thickness of this slab is, how it was constructed, it's really just a preventative measure. A lot of the adhesives today have their own moisture vapor barrier to them. PU280 blocks 90% RH on one coat. You get up to 98% RH blockage with 2 coats. 98% RH is like wet concrete. We only need the 1 coat. We have rolled the other half behind me last night so that it was dry so that we could do this footage. We're about 400 square feet to the gallon. We're gonna block 90% of the relative humidity, and then when we put the adhesive down, we'll get additional RH blockage. So we're pretty much making this bulletproof. Before this was rolled down, there was carpet adhesive on the floor, so we used the concrete mastic block to get it up. Pretty simple application. This will be dry 45 minutes to an hour. And again, we're only doing 1 coat for that 90% blockage. PU280 from Wakol, available at cityfloorsupply.com. Or you can call 1-800-737-1786.